Welcome back to the Travel Deck, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of aviation, lounges, and travel. Today, we're talking about a major refresh at Boston Logan Airport. AirFrance has just reopened its newly renovated lounge. And while it's definitely a huge step up for what it used to be, it still has some quirks you'll want to know about before planning your trip. Let's start with the basics. Back in March 2025, AirFrance temporarily shut down its Boston Logan lounge for a complete makeover. After several months of renovation, the doors officially reopened on August 19th, 2025, with a brand new design that feels modern, stylish, and very AirFrance. The lounge sits in Terminal E, near Gate 4, and it operates daily from 1 p.m. until 11:30 p.m. Like most SkyTeam facilities, access is reserved for business class passengers traveling on SkyTeam Airlines, as well as SkyTeam Elite Plus members. The redesigned space covers about 550 square meters, or nearly 6,000 square feet, and it can hold up to 126 guests. So yes, it's still on the smaller side, and during peak evening departures, you can expect it to feel quite full. That said, the design is a huge upgrade compared to the old space. If you've been to other recently refreshed AirFrance lounges, you'll recognize the style instantly. Bright blue tones, luminous whites, touches of AirFrance red, plus warm oak wood and champagne metallic accents. It's clean, consistent, and very much in line with the airline's global brand. Now, what about the amenities? Food and drink are at the heart of the AirFrance lounge experience, and Boston is no exception. Guests can expect a French-inspired culinary spread with both hot and cold dishes, a mix of savory and sweet bites, and of course, a full-service bar. The bar offers an excellent selection of French wines and champagne, along with spirits, local beers, cocktails, and even mocktails prepared by an on-site bartender. For frequent flyers who care about premium touches, this is a big improvement over the old buffet-style setup. There's also a small, exclusive area dedicated to Flying Blue Ultimate members. It's not large, just 4 comfortable seats, but it does give Air France's most loyal flyers a little extra privacy. And since Air France doesn't operate its ultra-premium La Premiere first class out of Boston, there's no separate first-class lounge here like you'd find in Paris or Los Angeles. So far, so good, right? Well, let's talk about the downsides. As nice as the redesign looks, the lounge still suffers from 2 major problems. First, it has no windows. That means no natural light, no runway views, and a somewhat dungeon-like atmosphere, as some travelers have put it. Second, the capacity is quite limited. With only 126 seats, crowding could easily become a problem during peak evening hours when Air France, KLM, and partner airlines have departures. And that leads us to comparisons. If you're flying out of Boston on a SkyTeam airline, you might be tempted to head over to the Delta One lounge. That space is widely regarded as one of the best at Logan, featuring a la carte dining and a more spacious, luxurious feel. The catch? Access is restricted. Unlike some Delta One lounges in other cities, the Boston location doesn't admit Air France or KLM business class passengers. So unless you're flying Delta One directly, you're out of luck. The good news is that Air France has been systematically upgrading its North American lounges, and Boston is simply the latest on the list. If you look at the big picture, lounges in Los Angeles, Washington, Montreal, and New York have all seen significant upgrades in recent years. Among these, Los Angeles stands out as the crown jewel, with a dedicated first-class section and even a spa for La Premiere passengers. Compared to that, Boston's lounge feels much more modest, but it's still a massive leap forward from the tired, outdated facility that existed before. Traveler reactions so far have been mixed. Some passengers are thrilled, calling the upgrade long overdue. Others say the design feels too bright, sterile, or even like a dentist's office waiting room. A few frequent flyers noted that the lack of priority pass restrictions could make the lounge crowded very quickly. And there's some nostalgia too. When the Air France lounge was closed, Air France passengers were temporarily redirected to the Delta Sky Club, and many actually prefer that experience. So what's the bottom line? Air France's new Boston lounge is a welcome improvement and a sign of the airline's continued investment in premium ground services across North America. But at the same time, it's not going to blow anyone away. The lack of windows and limited size mean it will never reach the heights of lounges in Los Angeles or Paris. If you're flying Air France or another SkyTeam carrier from Boston, this is definitely a better option than before. But if you're looking for the very best lounge experience at Logan, the Delta One Lounge still holds the crown, provided you can actually get in. So what do you think? Is this a step in the right direction for Air France in Boston? Or does the new lounge still leave you wanting more? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Travel Deck, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on aviation, airlines, and travel. Until next time, safe travels.